Keep your coffee hot longer with the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup thermal programmable coffee maker. Featuring premium double-walled vacuum insulation, the stainless steel carafe keeps coffee hot for hours, preserving fresh taste and flavor. The exterior stays cool to the touch and condensation-free too, making it handy for tabletop serving. The innovative even stream showerhead maximizes water distribution over your favorite coffee grounds for premium flavor extraction. The generous 12-cup capacity perfect pour carafe seals airtight, while its unique design prevents drips and spills for no mess pouring. Plus, the specially designed wide mouth opening makes for easy cleaning. Large buttons are easy to find on those early mornings and provide a number of settings for customized brew. If you don't want a full carafe, select the 1 to 4 cup brew option that maintains the full flavor of a full brew. Plus, the brew strength selector lets you personalize your coffee taste. Fully programmable, the digital display allows you to schedule your brew for any hour of the day. Monitor your coffee's freshness with the Fresh Brew Timer, which displays the amount of elapsed time since the coffee was brewed. The BLACK+DECKER 12-cup thermal programmable coffee maker. Keep your coffee hotter longer.
What goes into an extraordinary cup of coffee? An intelligent process that adjusts to each capsule. Revolutionary brewing technology that extracts every coffee's unique flavor notes and finishes each cup with rich, smooth crema. But what's the most difficult part of crafting an extraordinary cup of coffee? Making it this simple. Introducing Virtuo Plus. One touch to extraordinary.
Hotter, faster, better tasting coffee. Good taste is no longer optional, it's required. The new Optimal Brew thermal coffee maker from Mr. Coffee delivers just that. It brews hotter and faster, creating a better tasting cup of coffee. First, our removable water reservoir allows for cold water to go directly into the coffee maker without having to use the carafe to fill, ensuring the coffee is as hot as possible when brewing is complete. Next, this revolutionary brewer heats water between 195 and 205 degrees before brewing. This is 10% hotter than other coffee makers in its class. This is considered by coffee experts to be the optimal temperature extracting the richest flavors. And it brews 10 cups in less than 7 minutes, 26% faster than competitive coffee makers tested. Again, coffee experts consider this to be the optimal time for water to contact the ground coffee in the brew basket. The Mr. Coffee Optimal Brew Coffee Maker also uses a double-walled, insulated, stainless steel thermal carafe, keeping our coffee hot and locking in freshness and flavor for hours. Lastly, the newly designed collar delivers the coffee into the carafe with minimal air contact, preserving the temperature of the coffee. The average brewed coffee temperature is 182 degrees Fahrenheit, creating the optimal temperature for a great tasting cup of coffee. Enjoy hotter, great tasting coffee faster with the Mr. Coffee Optimal Brew Coffee Maker.